This video shows how to use the Vim Floaterm plugin instead of the built-in terminal window for displaying the output of a Python script. This simple Python script calculates the dot product of two vectors. The result is then displayed in a new pop-up window. This video also demonstrates the possibility to open the GNU Octave REPL with Alacrity Terminal emulator on Windows OS and validate the result previously obtained. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the description for more information.